I want you to become the smart guy in slot car. Okay, so this is basically replacing all the parts on your ThunderJet chassis. Really, it's the Ultra G. You can use them on the original ThunderJet, but we're really talking about the ThunderJet Ultra G by AutoWorld, because most people have the AutoWorld chassis, so I don't want to get people confused first. So this is part number 00103. Okay, and so we're going to take this chassis right here, and we are going to replace all the components of it from the tune-up kit. All right, so the first things we are going to have are the brushes, which are right here, the connector brushes. All right. So first we're going to pull off the chassis, or off the armature. That has your armature, your gears, and then these are the shoes. These are the shoes, or the brushes. Connector brushes are called connector brushes. That's that one, and then we're going to come and get one of these right here. And we're going to put that in here like that. So we're going to put a brand new brush in this car. It might not need it, but that's what we're going to do, because we're going to show you how to do this. See? That's what we're here for. We're here to help you. We're here to help you. We're going to help you. Just like Bob Ross, we're going to help you paint. We're going to paint here. We're painting with parts. Painting with parts. So we're going to get yourself a little bit of tweezers like this, and then you can grab it right where you need it. See that right there? The little notch. We want to put that right in there, buddy. Right. Oh, watch out, Roddy. There we go. The little notch there. Get that notch in there. We're going to push that in there. Okay, that pushed in there. Okay, so now we're going to be getting magnets later, but they're not in the tune-up kit. So we're going to put the armature back on. Make sure we put that in there so it doesn't pop off. Let's see if it does it. Oh, perfect. It snapped in there. That's what we want. Always turn the tires to make sure your armatures are moving smoothly. Moving smoothly. You want to move them smoothly. Moving smoothly. Okay, and then you take off your guide shoes and the springs. Now these probably don't need to be changed, but we want to show you how to do it. Just give you a little bit of tech video here. Tech video. Give you a little bit of Bob Ross lingo. Okay, now the spring, that spring is pretty, these really have not been used a lot, so I'm not necessarily, you want to square out your circuit here, make sure it's, there you go. Okay, so we're going to take off this one here. All right. And you want to put your shoe or your springs back in. Now, your springs, you don't necessarily have to use your springs. They're not an item that's going to wear off a lot, okay? And they're really there in case you take off your shoes, because sometimes a car will hit something and the shoe will pop off and you lose the spring. The springs are really in case you lose them, okay? Because they don't really get messed up. So now here's where we're going to go on an angle so you can see. So we're going to go all the way forward first, because we don't want the spring to pop off. Then we go forward to let it catch. And it popped in. See how nice and springy there? Nice and springy. Good cracker. Good cracker. Okay, so then we get this one here. And we're going to go like this. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to, uh-oh, that spring there knocked over there. We're going to get that back up on top there. We want to get that, oh, they're moving around again. Got to keep my hands away so you guys can see here. All right, so we're going to get this one. We're going to move it back. Oh, popped out. But now we got it in there, so all we have to do is just pick up that spring here with a little bit of tweezers. Get yourself some tweezers here. And we're going to put it right back in there. Right back in there. I hope you can see that right there. Here, we're going to get that. There we go. We got it in there. Ah, I dropped it again. Unbelievable. 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 Okay, so that's that. All right, let's try this again. I'm doing it when I'm trying to get you camera. Normally I wouldn't do it that way. I just put it in there. Yep, see, it popped off again. I remember this 40 years ago. No, 50 years ago. Good grief. I'm doing the same thing and these stupid springs would pop off. But that was part of the fun. I'd be listening to American Pie, Don McLean. Playing with my slot cars, building my... There you go again, you little stinker. You little stinker, you're going to keep on spring. Well, what you can do, this is how I remember doing it as a kid, is I would hold that spring while I'm putting this on, but so you can't do it when you got the camera right in my face.
They want to know the tips like that, so that's good.
You got to hold it a little bit. There we go.
Good, you can do it.
Oh, here it goes. The peanut gallery. Now that spring popped out. See, and here's what happens when the spring's not there. See how the guide shoe's flat? Now, where's that spring? Oh, don't tell me I lost it. No, it's right here. Good. All right, so there's only one way to do it. I'm trying to do it so you can see it with the camera. And that is hard. All right. I just need to put it in there and just get it in there. Why? Who?
Dexter. I already talked to him.
Okay, so see what we got on there. Now your tires are pretty simple. You can just pop them off and pop the new set of tires on. New set of tires. Well, those are really firm. Now there are other tires too you can use. And I don't know what I did with them. Are there any packets still laying over there?
It's okay, stick with that kit.
All right, just these kits. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh my God. All right, so these, and then we put on the front ones. This is a brand new car. We're just showing you how to put everything on from a tune-up kit. Okay. And then we're going to put on a body. Uh-oh. So I need a body here. Where's all my ThunderJet bodies? Here, we'll put this one on. This is a nice, cool car. Okay, so we're going to slide that on. Get the guide shoe and the screw. What are you doing for dinner? Okay, so now we've replaced the tires, the guide shoes, the guide pin, the springs, the brushes, and we'll do a little bit of oil here. We'll run it a little bit, see how she runs. Ooh, that sounds smooth. Boy, that sounds smooth, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. Smooth. Holy cow, see how fast that is from original ThunderJet? Now, there's always a dead spot on your switches. See that? From there to there is dead. That's why you kind of always have to glide through your switches. But these cars, man, they are so fast. Gosh. Yeah, it's pit kit number 10103. 00103. 00103. And on the back of it gives you every single parts that are of the tune-up, and I can get all those parts. We're going to be getting those sooner or later. So we'll get all the parts here. Let's see here. Where's the parts kit? We'll put that back here like this. And this is the parts kit for Auto World and the car, ThunderJet Ultra G. Ultra G means it's got a magnet a little faster than the original ThunderJet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. Thank you for watching our videos. We're going to be doing a whole series. We got Tyco. We've got all the cars. We're going to show you how to maintenance them, okay? And keeping them running, all right? And parts and everything, all right? And have a lot of fun, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. Have a great day. Bye.